Today we're going to learn how to make a Play-Doh Rubik's Cube. Here you can see my Rubik's Cube. But let's see who's hiding inside. It's Jennifer Rain.
Well, hello everybody.
Who's hiding inside my next Rubik's Cube? It's Prince Hans. Well, nice to meet you.
Oh, you're very handsome.
Who's inside my next Rubik's Cube? Ah, it's a crayon monster. And who's inside this Rubik's Cube? It's Wilma Wedge.
Very nice to meet you, everybody. Hello there, how do you do?
Very well, thank you. And who's inside this Rubik's Cube? It's a rubber duck. Hello there. Hello. Hello everyone. The weather is foul. Let me ride on your back so my feet don't get wet. Hurrah!
Oh, what a lovely day. Rainy, that's how I like it.
Oh no, I much prefer a sunny day. But this is so much fun. Sploosh, splosh, splosh. No, I like the beach. How do you two know what each other are saying? Come on, let's all go play in the rain. This way. I despise the rain, don't you? Yes, I don't like it either. Oh, come on. Ducky likes the rain, don't you? Woody, Buzz and Rex really like these Rubik's Cubes. To make them, you're going to need lots of different coloured Play-Doh. Take a toy and then take a black piece of Play-Doh. Squash the toy into the Play-Doh and make sure it's completely covered. Now make the Play-Doh into a cube. You can do this by flattening down the sides. Take a small yellow piece of Play-Doh and roll it flat using the rolling pin. Now use a ruler and carefully measure out strips. Cut out the strip using a knife. Be very careful when using a knife and get an adult to help you. Cut the strips into small squares. Place 4 small squares on one side of the cube. Now roll out some orange Play-Doh. And repeat. Stick on the orange squares onto another side of the cube. Roll out some blue Play-Doh and cut the same size blue strip. Cut out your squares and stick them on the side. Now let's make our green squares. Use the rolling pin, use the ruler and cut out the squares. Stick the squares on another side. Now let's make our white squares. Cut the strip, cut out the squares and stick to the side. And our last colour is red. Measure out the strip, cut out the small squares and stick them on. And there we have our completed Rubik's Cube. Today we've learnt how to make a Play-Doh Rubik's Cube. I hope you've enjoyed it.
Today I'm going to show you how to make an adorable Snoopy Play Doh. Isn't he cute? And it's so easy. All you're going to need is a craft knife, some toothpicks, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and white Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to take our white Play-Doh. This is obviously going to be the body of Snoopy. First we're going to make Snoopy's head. It kind of looks like a pear. Make sure you smooth down the edges, and then set that aside. We're now going to make a similar shape for Snoopy's body. Make sure they're similar in size. Make sure there's no cracks in the Play-Doh. Now we're going to make Snoopy's feet. They should look like this. Of course we need two of them. Now we're going to use a toothpick. We're going to break it in half and stick the legs on, like so. He's already starting to look like Snoopy. Make sure you're careful when you're using the toothpicks. Now finally, we're going to make Snoopy's arms. We're going to use toothpicks to attach these in a similar manner. Nearly there. Now it's time to add the detail using the black Play-Doh. Now, of course, the first thing we need to do is Snoopy's ears. Use your craft knife to shape the black Play-Doh. Stick them on either side of his head. Don't forget the nose. And of course his eyes. And finally, we need to give him a big smile. Now, I've decided that I'm going to put a giant love heart in Snoopy's arms. I'm making this out of red Play-Doh. Then I'm wrapping his arms around it. And there we have it, a super cute Snoopy made out of Play-Doh. Today I'm going to show you how to make Incy Wincy Play-Doh. This is one of my favourites, and it's so easy. All you need is black Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, 8 pipe cleaners, and a Play-Doh knife. So the first thing we're going to do is to make Incy's body. We're going to do this with the pink Play-Doh. I think that's a perfect Incy body. Now we're going to get some white Play-Doh to make the eyes. Roll it into a ball and flatten it. And now the other one. Now let's add some detail with the black Play-Doh. Otherwise his eyes wouldn't be finished, would they? And of course, we can't forget his mouth. Let's give him a big Incy Wincy smile. So now it's time to do the legs. Because the spider has 8 legs, remember? It's going to have 4 on each side. This is what we use the pipe cleaners for. Bend them in half and stick them into the side of Incy. 4 on one side, and then 4 on the other side. It's that simple. And now he's done. And there we have it. Incy Wincy in Play-Doh. Isn't that cool? Today, we are going to be making a really sweet Play-Doh bunny. So you only need 3 different colours for this, and that is black Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, and pink Play-Doh. So the first thing to do is to make the body of your bunny. We're going to do this with 2 round balls of Play-Doh. One should be slightly bigger than the other. Stick your head on top of the main body. Now we're going to make the bunny's feet. Do this with 2 smaller balls. Stick them on the front. Next, it's time to make the bunny's arms. Do this with 2 sausages. Stick them on the side of the bunny. Now, of course, we can't forget his floppy ears. Make 2 sausages but squish them flat. Stick them on top of the bunny's head. Now we're going to make a white nose and 2 black eyes. And there you have it, a really super cute Play-Doh bunny. So easy. Today we're going to be making a Play-Doh octopus. Now this looks incredible, doesn't it? You only need a few different colours as well. You need yellow Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, and white Play-Doh. Don't forget, as always, you can play around with the colour combinations. Get creative. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the octopus's body. We do this by making a ball out of the black Play-Doh. Now, of course, we need to make 8 long legs. Arrange them onto your tabletop like so. Now put your body on top of them in the middle. Next, I've decorated him with some yellow spots. Doesn't that look cool? Of course, don't forget his eyes. I'm using a white base with purple in the middle. And I've got a pink smile. Like I said, you can use any different colours you like. And we'll see you again very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!